Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video I will guide you through solutions if System Restore is not working on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. First, let us ensure that System Restore is properly configured. Search for Recovery and open the Recovery window. It is possible that you may not have a System Restore point currently available. If this is the situation, navigate to Configure System Restore. Click on Configure and verify that system protection is switched to on. Click on Apply and then on OK. It is important to create a restore point now for any future requirements, as System Restore cannot function without an existing restore point. Once this is addressed, you can proceed with another troubleshooting step. Right-click on the Start button, then select Settings. Go to the System tab. Scroll down and select Recovery. Click on Reset PC. You can then choose to either keep my files or remove everything, based on your preference. Following this, perform a cloud download. The rationale behind this is that if System Restore is not functioning and you find yourself in a difficult situation, a PC reset with a cloud download provides a robust alternative for recovery. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.